Former Minneapolis police officer Derek Chauvin will be sentenced this Friday for the murder of George Floyd. In April, Chauvin was convicted of multiple charges in Floyd's death. It took the jury roughly 10 hours of deliberation to reach their verdict. Judge Peter Cahill could sentence Derek Chauvin to as little as probation, an outcome requested by his attorney, or more than 30 years punishment favored by prosecutors.
Unintentional second-degree murder while committing a felony, find the defendant guilty. Third-degree murder, perpetrating an eminently dangerous act, find the defendant guilty. Second-degree manslaughter, culpable negligence, creating an unreasonable risk, find the defendant guilty.
And Civil Rights Attorney Ben Crump is here with us to discuss this groundbreaking case that sparked a movement and is changing the trajectory of race relations in the United States. Welcome back to BNC, Attorney Crump. It's a pleasure to have you. I want to first ask you, how is George's family, the Floyd family, better yet, doing, and what are their hopes with sentencing?
Certainly, and I'm honored to be here with BNC once again. George Floyd's family is anxious, as one might expect them to be at this time with such a big matter taking place on the journey to justice for George Floyd. They want what would have happened to Derek Chauvin if the roles were reversed and George Floyd would have tortured him to death. Our goal has always been the same: equal justice, nothing more, nothing less. So that's what the family will be saying in their victim impact statements, and telling the judge, if you would not give leniency to George Floyd, then don't give leniency to Derek Chauvin.
My question for you, Attorney Crump, is Chauvin's attorney is asking, and you just spoke on that, about the leniency. For him to be sentenced to probation, what's the legality there?
Well, he is a first-time convicted felon. And so their argument is that when you look at his life, he has been a good citizen. And so they're saying, do not throw the book at him. However, we've seen black people do far less and be convicted of far less and get prison time, never given the benefit of probation or the benefit of consideration or possibility. Even young black people, they throw the book at us and make them be part of the prison industrial complex. Why is it now that the shoe is on the other foot that they are saying, oh, we should be compassionate, we should be lenient? Well, we would accept that more if you did it when it was young black men that was being sentenced, and you showed the same consideration.
And as you know, I mean, we've been here before, and I think we're all a little nervous about what he'll be sentenced to. You see it all on Twitter and social media. So, Attorney Crump, how are you prepping the family for whatever this outcome may be?
Well, the one thing that they should take solace in is that they've already achieved history. Derek Chauvin being convicted of guilty was the first time that a white police officer in the state of Minnesota was convicted of second-degree murder. And they are still fighting to get the big victory, and that is the George Floyd Justice in Policing Act, that won't just affect them, but will affect all American citizens. And so they understand that this is a moment in history, and they're not taking anything for granted.
And Attorney Crump, not only is this impacting the family, but it's also impacting you and your family. I heard there are reports that you've been threatened.
Well, you know, my personal hero is Justice Thurgood Marshall, and he lived every day of his life with these constant death threats. But we have to be willing to die for something. And I think our children's future is something we have to be willing to die for, so our children will know how much we believed in their future. Just like our ancestors in the cotton fields during slavery believed one day that you would be on a national television program, and they dreamed about that, and they was willing to die for that, as my ancestors were willing to die for the day that one day I will have this legal education and be able to go into any courtroom in America and fight for those without a voice. And so we all have to be willing to die for something. As Martin Luther King said, if you're not willing to die for something, then you're not fit to live.
And I can hear the emotion in your voice that you take your job seriously, sir. How does it make you feel? For instance, when you were on the court steps for Andrew Brown Jr., the case out of Elizabeth City, you were ridiculed and you were called an ambulance chaser. When you hear things like that, and now being on the receiving end of death threats, how does that make you feel?
Well, they call my heroes much worse. Martin Luther King was the most hated man in America. Malcolm X had nobody who respected what he was doing during his day. And certainly Thurgood Marshall, you know, they said that he's just the wrong person and so forth. I believe history will get it right. I value myself as a constitutional lawyer. We have the Seventh Amendment right, which is the right to be able to get civil compensation if you are wronged. It's the only right that we have as private citizens. The state will determine if somebody's charged and goes to jail. So my job, as I see it, is to be able to make sure that we raise the value of Black life in America. And that is based on the Seventh Amendment, the right to civil justice. And so sometimes, even if I have to do it single-handedly, I am focused and going in courtrooms all over America, raising the value of Black life so it becomes financially unsustainable to continue to kill Black people unjustly.
Final question, Attorney Crump. You laid out what your job is, so what's our job?
Our job is to always remember that we all have a role to play in this struggle for justice and equality for all of our children. And that when we get an opportunity to speak truth to power, we should do it. And don't worry about what they're going to say about you, because there are always going to be critics, but God is watching, and he gave you these blessings and these talents to be able to speak and do something to help what the Bible refers to as the least of these.
Attorney Crump, we really appreciate your time and your insight, sir. We know you're a busy man, so thank you for speaking with us on BNC this afternoon.